guys, you haven't seen me for a couple weeks because I haven't posted anything up for like 3 weeks or a month, I don't know, but I had a birthday week and it was like a cheat week, and then it turned to a cheat month. Now it's April and I'm binge eating everything in sight. So we're gonna do this 7-day celery nut milk bag. I'm gonna order it from Amazon. Hopefully it gets here in 2 days or so. So we're gonna use cheesecloth. Let's see how it works tomorrow because I need to start. I'm gaining so much weight. So if you guys follow me and you guys know that I did the keto diet for 2 months and I lost what amount weight I lost, I gained it back. Yes, I did. I'm so angry. What? We're gonna get back on track. We're gonna do this detox diet first. Okay? Like, I went to Walmart. Anybody from Texas? You guys know Buc-ee's. When I go visit my sister in Texas, I love going to Buc-ee's. I was gonna buy the whole week worth, but I don't know if I'm gonna have room in my fridge for all this. So we're gonna go with 4. It's Saturday morning and we are gonna get started on this celery juicing. Got my cheesecloth, got the 2 celery. I'm making one for myself and my daughter. I got the blender. I don't have a juicer. And I'm gonna put the cheesecloth on here. I'm gonna squeeze it out. So yeah, I'm gonna do one for myself and my daughter. I just got done washing one of the celery. Then I just chopped it up to little pieces. So I'm gonna put it all in a blender. Because it was just a big sheet. I'm gonna just put it over the bowl. I got my celery all chopped up. I'm gonna put it straight into the blender and we'll see how it turns out. A bit of water, or just a little bit, maybe like a quarter, just a little bit, just to get it started. So there it is. Now I'm gonna squeeze out. I'm gonna move some stuff around. We're not gonna put it in these blender cups anymore. We're gonna put it in these nice wine glass. Okay. So you're supposed to squeeze. Oh, there's a lot already. You guys see it? There is a lot already. So let's squeeze. Yes, you guys, this is working. So if you want to try the celery juicing and you want to be cheap like me, get a cheesecloth. I shouldn't have ordered the one on Amazon. This works just. Take all these foam out. Early in the morning, you're supposed to drink your celery juice first thing in the morning. My daughter's getting ready for work and I don't have no makeup on, so excuse my. So I think you're supposed to do, I think 16 ounce or I don't know what you guys know, but we only have 12 ounce. The first day, let's see how it tastes. We're gonna down it. So it's a earthy. It's like a refreshing, earthy taste. It's day 2, this celery juice, and we did a little bit over 16 ounce just because I added a little bit of water when I was blending the celery. So here we go, day 2. guys, it's day 3 and I just got here at work and it's about 6 o'clock and here we go. Day 3. More celery, picking up more celery. Okay guys, since I work early in the morning, I have to get up at 4 in the morning. I will make my day 4 celery juice in a little bit. Went to the store and got 4 more. And came home and Amazon is so great. I got this within 2 days. A nut milk bag. I only did 1 stock today because I don't know if my daughter's doing it anymore with me. Let's see how much 1 stock of celery gets me. Let's see. Hey guys, it's day 4. So, like I said, I made my juice the night before because it's about 5:40 right now. I'm about to head out for work, but I wanted to do my vlog inside my closet and not in my car because it was so dark. So day 4, I have 20 ounce, and I just want to say it's my day 4, and I don't feel any different. I haven't been going to the bathroom like everybody said they've been going. So we're gonna keep it up, see what happened day 7, but 20 ounce day 4. Hey guys, it's day 5 of the celery juice and in my closet again because it's too dark in my car. Here we go, day 5. So I'm gonna stick to the nut milk bag that I got from Amazon for like $3 because I really like it. It's way easier. Exactly 16, guys. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there, that's 16. So we got exactly 16. Hey guys, so it is day 6 on the celery juice, and still no different, no change. I just got done with my makeup, so I still have my headband on. So we are at day 6. I still don't feel any different. Nothing has changed. My diet has not changed. I should eat a little bit better. I got a couple pimples here. I don't know if it's from the celery juice or what, but we are on day 6 and we have 1 more day. It's day 7. We made it to day 7 yesterday. So after drinking it like for 30 minutes after work, I have to go to the bathroom. I had a really bad stomach ache and then boom. Okay, done. Day 7 down, you guys. I'm gonna upload Saturday. So most of my experience I had to tell you guys day by day. But to go forward with this, I don't think I would do it. It takes too much time and I didn't get the best result like everybody else. So we're gonna look forward for a different diet, a different cleanse. Comment down below if there's a different cleanse or 7 days diet that you guys want me to do. And hi guys, thanks for watching my 7-day celery juice. So final thoughts, I won't be doing it again. And I mainly did it for the digestive system. It's supposed to make you have a lot of bowel movement. That's what I need. I have gained maybe a good 7-8 pounds since coming off the keto diet, but I only did the keto diet for 2 months. I lost 11 pounds, and I know my face is so big right now because I gained so much weight. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe down below and hit that bell